Hello there, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program using PERL as our programming language that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check if the given number of the user is odd or even number. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. In our text editor, I will write the comment first. Add underscore even.pl. This is the file name of our program. Next, sharp author. Let us save first our program. Add even.pl, and then we will choose here PERL. Click the save button. Okay, author, yours truly. And then we have here the date, October 30, 2019. At 1 AM. Today is Wednesday. Next, we have here print. And then we have here the print again, \t, add, and even number checker in PERL. This is the title of our program. Print \t, give a number. Trump with parentheses $num_val equals less than greater than semicolon. If num_val percent modulus 2 equals 0, it means there is no remainder. We can say that it means that the number is even. Print the given number $num_val is an even number. Else, if it is false, add number. Okay. We have here the next. We have here a message end of the program that tells that the user that the program is already terminated. Let us go to our command line. cd PERL. Okay, so we have already the file. To check for syntax error in run our program, we simply issue this command: PERL add even.pl. Enter, give a number, let's say for example 6. Add an even number checker in PERL, give a number 6. The given number 6 is an even number in the program. Another example, 7. 7 is not an even number. It's not an even, so given a number. The given number 7 is an odd number. So we have get it, guys, our program. Add an even number checker in PERL. We have already successfully run our program correctly. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Bye bye for now.